exciting thoughts and wonderful experiences. However, our adventure is not over yet, my dear explorers. So please stay seated and enjoy these last few moments before heading back to your car, checking into our fantastic on-site accommodation, or playing a round or two of our extraordinary golf. What if I told you there was a way to come back again and again whenever the urge takes you? An exclusive key that grants you access to Alton Towers Resort all year long. With so much to do and see, you can visit again and again. Just think of all the times you could go for a spin on Toxicator, a splash on the Congo River Rapids, or experience the wonder of meeting some of your favorite friends in CBeebies Land. Alton Towers Resort annual pass grants you and your family 12 months of access to our incredible theme park, plus exclusive offers and benefits to make being a pass holder even more iconic. Visit altontowers.com to discover more details. Phew! I'd be ready to sit down after all that excitement. Once upon a short break at Alton Towers Resort, we invite you to a sleepover that's out of this world. For families and young children, what an extra special experience. CBeebies Land Hotel is the perfect choice. Your little ones will love the music, adventures, shows, and friends that await them in one of our fantabulous themed hotel rooms. But the fun doesn't stop there. Alton Towers Resort has 4 more uniquely themed accommodations. From the tropical Splash Landings Hotel to the spellbinding woodland lodges of this Cherry Village. There's truly something for everyone to enjoy during a magnificent short break at Alton Towers Resort. So that's all for now. The fun never stops with our fantasy-filled and imagination-fueled escape that is Alton Towers Resort. Stay updated with the latest news about what's happening in and around our park by downloading our official app, following us on social media, or simply visiting